Not in my wildest imagination would I have ever thought that I would leave my twist in for 6 good weeks. Yes, this is my 6 weeks old twist, which I left in. I have never left my twist in for this long, so this really is a surprise to me, or rather, is a shock to me. Join me as I take down this 6 weeks old mini twist while I share with you the things that I did practically that helped me to avoid things like locking, tangles, and breakage. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be taking down my 6 weeks old mini twist. Now I have been doing mini braids, but this time around I decided to give braids a break, and I hopped on this twists challenge, which I decided to leave for 6 weeks. Now I wasn't expecting that I would see it through to 6 weeks. Honestly, I thought maybe at week 2 I would just give in, or week 3 and just take it down. So to help me with this takedown, I'm using my favorite takedown product, which is my leave-in conditioner, which I currently use, and that is the Mega Growth Break Free leave-in conditioner. So I will be using that to take down my style. So I put my hair in sections because, of course, taking down your hair, you need to work in sections, otherwise you just be overwhelmed. Now I didn't even expect it to take me too long, because I know that taking down braids take me much longer time than twist. So but for this twist, one of the things that helped me to prevent locking, because at week 2, week 3, especially if I am washing my hair in the twist, I would have lockings. Like, I have a video where I washed my hair in this small twist, and taking them down was a real hassle because my hair was tangled all together. Taking it down was difficult. I experienced breakage because it was frustrating taking them down. And so I thought this would be the same, because of course I washed my hair in this period 3 times, with this twist. So I was expecting that it's going to lock up on me. But guess what? To my surprise, there was nothing like that. So this is me just doing a quick length check. Like, I'm not really doing a length check, but anytime I'm taking down my hair, I just like to see the progress. I like to compare pictures of my previous take down and just see how my hair is doing overall. It kind of boosts my morale, boosts my confidence, and just helps me to know that, okay, I'm on the right track. Like, I'm really taking care of my hair, that kind of vibe. So that's why I do this almost all of the time. So yeah, taking this down was really a breeze. Like, it was just going down like I had braids. Like, there was no even tangles at the roots. Everything was just going on smoothly. So I think one of the things that I did right that really helped me to prevent that locking or tangles at the roots was braiding, about 1.5 inches from the roots before twisting the rest of my hair. So I guess each time you twist from the roots and you're washing your hair in that protective style, you could experience a lot of tangle, because when you're washing your hair, you're scrubbing from the roots, so that can cause matting and all. So I think putting my hair in this twist and braiding from the roots really helped me a lot. And then also moisturizing regularly. Like, I made sure not to fail this time around. Sometimes you moisturize and the next time you want to moisturize, you forget, or you're just too lazy to do it. So I really made sure that I wasn't too lazy to moisturize my hair, so that to keep it from breaking when I'm taking down the twist. Then the third thing that I think also helped was I was being very careful during my wash day. That is to say, I focused more on my scalp. So I scrubbed my scalp gently. I wasn't too rough with my twist so as to prevent that interlocking and stuff like that. So I was very, very careful with my wash day routine just to make sure that I don't experience lock-ins. So I was really shocked to see that taking down this twist was a breeze. Honestly, I was expecting some form of resistance, having washed my hair in twists. I've been doing twists in the first 3 years of my natural hair journey, and I know what I experienced. So the most I go with my twist is 3 weeks. The last time I think I went up to a month, it was really not an easy sight, but still, I don't like to keep my twist in for too long because my hair tends to lock. So me keeping this twist for 6 weeks and I'm not experiencing locking or breakage was really a blessing. So, I'm not even joking at all. Like, this is the shedding that came out from my takedown. And like I said, my hair has been in this style for good 6 weeks. So, definitely, there should be some amount of shedding. And this is what came out. So, no breakage, like, there was no tiny bits and pieces on the floor and all that. So, definitely, this was a good takedown. Guys, you can see the ends of my hair, they really need some attention. I'm going to be doing some real trimming. I have done not really trimming this year, like a dusting, just tiny bits, but I'm determined to take off at least 1 inch of my ends, not on all sides because not all sides look that way. So the sides that look that way, definitely 1 inch will be going off or more, I don't know. So I'll definitely be sharing with you guys my trimming session, because one thing I don't want to do is to get carried away with the length and then I stop trimming my ends. That would be a total disaster. So yeah, this is my hair after taking down my entire hair. As you can see, my hair is shiny. In my next video, I'll definitely let you guys in on what I will be doing next, because like I said, I'm giving braids a break until maybe a month's time or so. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm definitely going to be trying twist again. So if you are wondering how to care for your hair in twist, or you are very scared, those 3 things I mentioned really helped me, and I will definitely be trying twist again. So if you are scared of trying mini twists or keeping it for that long, definitely watch this video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.